Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow students, today as we gather to celebrate the 77th Independence Day of our beloved nation, I am truly honored to stand before you and share some thought on this year's theme, Nation First, Always First. Our nation's journey towards independence was not an easy one. The sacrifice made by our forefathers, the relentless struggle, and the unbreakable spirit they displayed all contribute to the tapestry of our history. As we look back on those struggles, we are reminded of the importance of putting our nation first above all else. The theme Nation First, Always First serves as a powerful reminder of our responsibilities towards our country. It urges us to prioritize the well-being of our nation and its citizens in every decision we make, both as individual as a collective. It is call to action, a call to contribute our best efforts towards the growth, development, and prosperity of our country. To put our nation first means to act with integrity and responsibility. It means being conscious of our duty as responsible citizens and actively participating in the progress of our society. It means embracing our diversity and working together towards a harmonious and inclusive future. As young minds, we hold the key to shaping our nation's destiny. Our education and equips us with the knowledge and skill necessary to lead our country towards greatness by putting our nation first. We pledge to work hard, dream big, and contribute positively to the growth of our society. Let us remember that every small action, every choice we make has the potential to make a significant impact. By choosing to put our nation first, we pave the way for a brighter and more prosperous future for all. On this Independence Day, let us renew our commitment to our nation. Let us honor the sacrifice of our past by dedicating ourselves to the betterment of our present and future. Let us serve to be the citizen who always put the nation first in every endeavor we undertake. Thank you, and let us together work towards a future where our nation always stands first, strong and united. Jai Hind. Thank you.